How to remove skin scars. Watch this video to the end and find out how to get rid of the problem of scars. Smile again by recovering your beauty. Remove your scar now. How to remove skin scars. With Dermefface FX7, the scarred cells are replaced with health and normal skin. The faster you can begin applying it, the more likely you are to reduce any permanent scarring. Though Dermefface FX7 does work to significantly diminish the appearance of older scars too. Dermefface FX7 diminish the look of acne scars, chicken pox scars, injury scars, and burn scars. Dermefface FX7 erases scars. Dermefface FX7 removes skin scars, speeds healing on every layer of skin, promotes the regrowth of healthy skin, increases production of collagen, increases the turnover of skin cells, and slew away scarred cells to be replaced with healthy skin cells. Dermefface FX7 helps to normalize skin's production of collagen in scarred areas and help fade your scars. Dermefface FX7 normalizes production of the skin-healing collagen and replaces scarred cells with healthy skin cells. Dermefface FX7 helps to normalize skin's production of collagen in scarred areas and help fade your scars. Dermefface FX7 normalizes production of the skin-healing collagen and replaces scarred cells with healthy skin cells. Dermefface FX7 works on every layer of your skin to diminish the appearance of scars by fast-tracking your healing through the final skin remodeling phase, pushing your scarred cells to the surface where they can be sloughed away, increasing the production of normal cells to replace the scarred cells. The scars are flattened and smooth. Redness and discoloration fade and skin aging around your scarred area is reduced. Flakiness and itching should no longer be a problem thanks to the deep, penetrating moisturization. See results within the first 4 weeks of use. However, given that most scars occur deep in the skin, over multiple layers, to get the very best results we recommend a minimum 60-day. Use 3 to 4 months for best results to minor surface scars. Use for at least 6 months for deep, surgery, or injury scars. So any company or professional who promises you results in less than 30 days should be looked at with a very critical eye because your skin's natural regeneration happens as a 28-day cycle. See results within the first 4 weeks of use. What are you waiting for? Order today. Dermefface FX7 erases scars. Dermefface FX7 diminish injury scars. Dermefface FX7 diminish burn scars. Dermefface FX7 slew away scarred cells. Click on the link below.